O Mama Mary, I pray to you to intercede for all those who are lonely. I pray, O Lord, to the intercession of your Holy Mother to touch and heal those who are lonely and rejected by the society. I pray that you comfort, console, and strengthen them. Fill their heart with your love so they may not feel loneliness or be isolated. Mama, intercede for us and intercede for them. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and the hour of our death. Amen. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and the hour of our death. Amen. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and the hour of our death. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for hearing my prayers. Thank you, Mama, for interceding for us.